Hi, I'm Alana. If you're going to install your Diono car seat forward facing using a lap belt only, go ahead and check the vehicle manual to determine how your seatbelt is going to lock. For this video demonstration, we know this seatbelt locks at the latch plate. First, go ahead and make sure you drop down the adjustable bottom for children over 25 pounds and always attach the top tether first, leaving it loose for now. Once you've done that, go ahead and slide the seatbelt through the cover. As you can see, I opened up the Velcro sides for easier access. Go through the forward-facing belt path that's marked with red, and then you can easily pull the excess webbing through the opening of the Velcro sides. Once you've tightened down the belt, go ahead and grab at the forward-facing belt path only with one hand. You should have less than 1 inch of movement in either direction. Never check for a tight fit down here at the bottom of the seat in a forward-facing position. Once you've done that, go ahead and tighten up the top tether, and now you have a correct install. I'm Alana Pinkerton. Safe travels. Enjoy the journey.